how to send one-time photo on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more awesome tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to send a one-time photo on Snapchat in simple steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Snapchat app and then just click a photo. Now you'll see a time-like icon on the bottom right. Tap on it and here it says no limit. So no limit means your friend can look at the photo how long they want. Now if you want to change it to one time, then you have to set a timer. So you can set it to any time that you want from 1 to 10 seconds and just tap on the screen anywhere and that's it. Now you can send one-time photo on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.